friends, welcome back to my channel Village Skills. In this video I am going to show you how to make opposite knot saree kuchu for pattu sarees easily at home. Friends, this is my 47 saree kuchu design. If you would like to see my previous 46 saree tassels designs, please check out the links in the description box below. I hope you will find this video useful. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment my channel Village Skills for more such videos. Please connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Google Plus accounts and follow us my website villageskills.in. Let's get started. Now simple knot saree tassels are ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Villageskills for more creative videos. If you already subscribed, then please hit the bell icon to notify my latest updates. And please give your valuable comments in the comment section below. If you would like to see my previous 46 saree tassel designs, please check out the links in the description box below. And connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Google accounts and follow my website villageskills.in. Thanks for watching. See you soon with my another new project. Until then, keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.